Are mortgage rates at 0% right now? Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharon Colon and I'm a realtor here in Miami, Florida. If you're interested in all Miami real estate, you really need to hit that subscribe button because I post new videos every Thursday. I think it's important to address some of the news headlines out there regarding interest rates. So mortgage rates, contrary to popular belief, are not at 0%. You may have heard that the federal exchange rate has changed to zero. However, this is not mortgage rates. The Federal Reserve lowered borrowing costs to near zero on Sunday in an emergency move to combat the economic shocks from the coronavirus pandemic. The Federal Reserve Bank has a federal exchange rate in which they charge other banks to borrow money from, okay? But these are tied directly to short-term securities, meaning your credit cards, your home equity lines of credit, new student loans. Those are the rates that will be affected by the Fed rate being changed to zero. Now, this is a very good thing to stimulate the economy during tough times that we are going through at this moment. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury yield, a key benchmark that influences borrowing costs on houses and auto loans, slumped further to historic lows this month as virus-fueled worries stoked fears of an economic slowdown. Mortgage rates have dropped to historical lows as bond yields have fallen, a move that could help first-time homebuyers and those looking to refinance. When Treasury yields fall, banks charge lower interest rate for mortgage. The federal's key short-term rate affects 30-year mortgages and other long-term rates indirectly. The average fixed rate for a 30-year mortgage rose to 3.36% last week, up slightly from an all-time low of 3.29% the prior week, according to Freddie Mac. That's almost a full percentage point lower than 4.31% a year ago, imagine. But experts say borrowers are poised to benefit from the combination of lower rates and a drop in bond yields in the coming months. But let me tell you, they're still low enough to justify refinancing. If you, for example, have an interest rate of 4.25% or higher, for example, a loan amount of $250,000 or more, maybe you would like to switch from an adjustable to a fixed mortgage, or from a 30-year to a 20 or maybe to a 15-year loan. So yes, there's still incredible opportunity for people to save. And because all mortgage brokers are swamped right now, I advise you to be ready with all your documents as soon as you're asked. No appraisers are weeks behind, so take the first appointment available. Another thing, look for longer rate locks because the process will take longer. And get any rate lock in writing, okay? Okay, so now let's talk about buying. What about buying a house? Well, it is the time to do it because rates are so incredibly low. It's just a matter of finding that house because inventory is very low in Miami. So if you can find a house you like, you should jump in, honestly. So we just need the sellers. So sellers that are watching, there are a lot of buyers out there looking and waiting for their dream home. And now more than ever is a good time to be advised, okay? So I'm not here to push you in any way. I'm just here to help, okay? To close, the best advice is to call a trustworthy mortgage broker and see if it makes economic sense to refinance, okay? And if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for my new videos every Thursday. See you next time.